Hello, greetings to everyone watching. This is Nkow Tutor, and this is my fourth YouTube tutorial, but this is a different topic. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to code your own class, which is the employee class, is the example. And then there'll be six things I'll be doing in this tutorial. The first thing I'll do is code a class employee that stores the staff number, name, age, and salary of an employee, and then define constants to store minimum wage. And then code a default constructor, then provide an overloaded constructor, then code accessor methods for all the instant variables, and then override the toString method and code a method increase salary that increases the salary by the given parameter percentage. Okay, so let's start. Code a class employee that stores the staff number, name, age, and salary of an employee. So let's first declare the variables. So string staff name. What's another? Staff number. Staff number. Then the name. Those are strings. And then the age is an integer, int age. And then we also have to declare the salary. So the salary is a double salary. So it's a code class employee that stores the staff number, name, age, and salary of an employee. Define constant to store minimum wage. Use 5,000. So now let's declare the constant. So it's final double what's minimum wage equals to 5,000. So now we have done with the first part. Now code a default constructor. Use 0 as the staff number, none as the name, and the minimum salary to initialize the object. So we'll also set the age as 0. Okay, that part wasn't included, but we'll set the age as 0. So let's start with the insert code constructor. We don't select anything since this is a default constructor. It doesn't take any parameters. And then so what does it say? It says 0 as the staff number. So staff number equals to 0. Then the name equals to none. And then I said the age is 0, right? So age equals to 0. And then the minimum salary to initialize the object. So salary equals to minimum wage. And then we are done with the default constructor. So now we have to provide an overloaded constructor that takes the staff number, name, and age as parameters. So insert code. So what does it say we need? The staff number, the name, and age as parameters. So we don't take the salary. We don't take the salary. We just take the staff number, name, and age. And then we'll change these values later on. So now code accessor methods for all the instant variables. Only provide a public mutator method for the name. The rest of the mutator methods must be private. So we say insert code, getter and setter for the age, name, salary, and staff number. Now, as it says, only provide a public mutator method for the name. The rest of the mutator methods must be private. So staff number, no, not this. The set staff number must be private. Set name must be public. Set age private. Then set salary private. Only provide a public mutator method for the name. The rest of the mutator methods must be private. Okay, we have done that now. Override to string method. To string. Yes. Okay, now we've overridden the toString method. Now, code a method increase salary that increases the salary by the given parameter percentage. So public increase salary the public void, since it does not return anything. Public void increase salary, and then what do we need? We need a double as a percentage. Then so what do we do now? We declare the new salary, double, what else do we need? Oh, and then new salary equals to salary times, what is it times by? 1 plus percentage divided by 100. So that's the new salary. And then this dot salary equals to new salary. That's all there is to it. So I don't think we need a set salary method anymore. Yeah, I don't think we need it anymore. So you can just remove it, or we can comment it out. Maybe we will need it later on, but for now we don't need it. So we've coded the increased salary that increases the salary by the given parameter percentage. Now let's go back here. As I said, we'll come back to this. So now for the staff number, let's use set staff number, yes. And then for the name, set name. And then for the age, set age. Yeah, I think we are done with our employee class. So I'll show you then the second tutorial. I'll be doing the testing of the employee class, and then the third tutorial I'll show you how to use a console application to use the employee class in a console application. Yes, thank you for watching.